The second step of our method to incrementally transform a to-be process model into a to-be executed process model is that of reviewing manual tasks, according to the principle that if something cannot be seen by the BPMS, then it simply doesn't exist. So now we have identified tasks, classified them into automated, user, and manual. How can we link a manual task with a BPMS? The manual task will pretty much remain a manual task. However, we can use IT solutions to link them to the BPMS. For example, in the context of our order-to-cash process, we had identified a manual task, ship goods. Now, one way of linking manual tasks to BPMSs is by replacing them in the process model with user tasks. The shipment of goods is a manual task because it requires the warehouse worker to manually pick up products from the shelves and load a given truck. However, we can replace that with a user task whereby we provide in the warehouse terminals through which the warehouse worker can see, by means of the worklist handler of the BPMS or by means of an external system such as a warehouse management system, can see the list of products that are ready to be picked up. So then the warehouse worker can select one of these work items and then see detailed instructions about the location, about what products to be picked up, where and on what trucks they need to be put. Once the warehouse worker has completed loading the truck, then they can notify the BPMS, for example, by pressing a button on electronic form in the worklist handler. The second option is to replace the task, the manual task, in the process model by means of an automated task. For example, a pair of send and receive tasks, like notify pickup request followed by receive pickup confirmation. In this case, the notification of the pickup request to the warehouse worker could be done automatically by the BPMS by means of sending an email to the inbox of the warehouse worker. This email would contain detailed instructions about the pickup. And then we can link a barcode scanner to the BPMS such that once the warehouse worker has completed loading the truck, they can scan the barcode of the products and the barcode scanner will automatically send a notification to the BPMS such that the BPMS can regain control of the process execution.